Hello guys, and welcome to Learn Microsoft Office and Sage Pastel Easy Skills channel by Mr. Malachi TE. In this channel, you will learn how to use Microsoft Office applications such as Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Word, and Microsoft Excel, and also how to use the Sage Pastel accounting software. If you haven't as yet subscribed to the channel, you might consider doing so that you'll be notified of the new videos that are being posted each and every week regarding Microsoft Office and Sage Pastel accounting. In today's tutorial video, we are going to be creating a chart on Microsoft Excel, and we are going to be using the tutorial question that prevails on the right side of the screen that says select the relevant information to create the following chart. So the document that we'll be creating a chart on is this document on the left side, that prevails on the left side. It says you have to select the relevant information to create the following chart on a chart sheet. On a chart sheet, it only means that on a new chart sheet. So it is the same as the position. We have to move it to a new chart sheet. Chart sheet name should be MV Sales 2017 chart. Chart type should be 3D clustered column. The chart sheet tab color should be teal accent 2, and there is a tutorial video, previous one, that deals with how to change the chart sheet tab color. And the data that is required, the income figures for 6 months from January to June for motor vehicle sales. On the category x-axis, it must display the names of the cars only. The chart title, insert the title above the chart and link it to cell A3 on the worksheet motor vehicle sales. The legend must show only the months. Okay, therefore let's go ahead and use this information to construct our chart, 3D clustered column chart. Therefore, we'll go to motor vehicle sales page or sheet. We'll select the relevant information, that is from January to June. Therefore, you click on insert. On the charts, click on the drop down arrow. You click on all charts, then you search for the 3D clustered column. Here's 3D clustered column. You click on it. Therefore, you click on OK. Our chart is inserted, but we have to insert it on a new chart sheet, right? Therefore, we'll just right click. We'll just right click on the chart, then it says we click on move chart. Then on the pop-up screen, you click on new sheet. On new sheet, you put the name that was assigned, that has to be assigned to the sheet. Therefore, we were told that we have to rename it to MV Sales 2017 chart. You click on OK. Therefore, the chart is inserted in a new sheet, right? Therefore, look at our instructions there. The chart sheet tab color should be teal accent 2. Therefore, we'll go there and change the chart sheet tab color. Therefore, we right click on the mouse, we click on tab color, you search for teal accent 2. There is teal, but it's lighter 60%. There is teal accent 2, the color that we are looking for. Then you click on it, then you can see now that the tab or the sheet tab color changed to teal accent 2. Therefore, it further says that data that is required, the income figures for 6 months, January to June, we have inserted that. It says on the category x-axis it must display the names of the cars only. Therefore, we'll go to the x-axis. Here's the x-axis, and it displays the number of the names of the months, right? And it must rather be names of the cars. Therefore, you will click on filter, go to select data. Then you can see now that here's our x-axis, and it displays what? The months. Then you click on switch row or columns, then you click on OK. Then you can now see that our x-axis displays the names of the cars, right? Therefore, it says the legend must display the months only, and the chart title, insert the title above the chart and link to the worksheet cell A3 on the worksheet motor vehicle sales. Therefore, here is our legend, and it only displays the months, so that is correct. Therefore, our last task is to link that to cell A3 in the motor vehicle sales sheet. Here is the motor vehicle sales sheet. Then you will have to link that chart title to cell A3 in this sheet. So you will click on equal to on the formula bar, then you go to motor vehicle sales, you select cell A3. There is cell A3, we have selected it. Then you click on enter. Then you can now see that the title is motor vehicle sales, and when you click on it, you can see now it is linked to cell A3 in the motor vehicle sales worksheet. Then that's it. We have just inserted our chart on Microsoft Office Excel. Then that marks the end of our tutorial video for today. If you haven't as yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe so that you'll be notified of the future videos that will be posted.